Hi y'all. Today we doing some easy, good loving from the oven Cajun style dirty rice inside the oven. So let's get started. First, you want to add about 2 cups of rinsed long grain white rice into a well seasoned cast iron or other heavy oven safe dish. I'm using Louisiana long grain rice, but use whatever long grain rice is available to you. If you're not sure whether your cast iron is seasoned or if this is your first time making dirty rice, spray a bit of cooking spray on the bottom and around the sides of your cookware. Now, the reason we rinse the rice is because rinsing removes the starch and helps each individual grain stand apart during the cooking process, and we don't have to worry about the clumping. I've seen people use short or medium grain rice as well as rices like jasmine and arborea, but the high starch content of these rices changes the texture of your dirty rice to a sticky, clumpy, gooey something that really isn't Cajun dirty rice. Now, the next major component of dirty rice is the seasoning blend. The base for our dirty rice uses Mrs. 𝐂𝐀𝐉𝐔𝐍's Louisiana Creole seasoning. Mrs. 𝐂𝐂𝐉𝐔𝐍's is certified Creole by the Louisiana Department of Agriculture. Mrs. 𝐂𝐂𝐉𝐔𝐍's is a general Creole seasoning that provides just enough spice that most of the time you don't need to add nothing else, even if it's a Cajun dish. But dirty rice is supposed to be a high flavor, spicy dish, whether it's cooked on the stove top or in the oven. So we're going to add a bit more herbs and spices, and if y'all are interested, the link to Mrs. 𝐂𝐂𝐉𝐔𝐍's seasoning is listed in the description box. Now, to the Mrs. 𝐂𝐂𝐉𝐔𝐍's base, we added a bit of iodized salt, sweet paprika, dried thyme, and cayenne pepper powder. Using sweet paprika balances the cayenne yet, but if y'all feeling adventurous, use the smoked paprika and cayenne instead of the sweet paprika and cayenne. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of the seasoned blend over the rice. Next, we'll need to do a bit of veggie prep. We'll need a half cup diced yellow onion, a half a cup in total green, yellow, and red bell peppers, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Next, we're going to add 16 ounces of Cajun dressing mix. This mix is a blend of key dirty rice ingredients like chicken liver, chicken gizzard, shredded pork, shredded beef. These ingredients give the dirty rice its signature brown speckled dirty look. For reference, this mix is found in the refrigerator aisle under such names as Savoy's, Richard's, and I think Hebert's may have one. I'm sure there are many others to choose from. I'm not advocating one over the other because I use them interchangeably. Use whatever is available in your area or the brand that you prefer. Then we add a 10.5 ounce can of French onion soup and a half cup of water with 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce mixed in. I will usually just eyeball it and fill the 10-ounce can about 1/2 of the way with water and add the Worcestershire sauce. This method also helps get all of the remaining soup out of the can. Then you want to use your spatula to combine the ingredients until they're well incorporated. Cover the dirty rice with foil or an appropriate lid and place in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. After an hour, remove the rice from the oven, and as you can see, the ingredients have melded together and the rice has absorbed the liquid. You want to go ahead and stir well to combine all of the ingredients and to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Mix in 1 tablespoon of diced salted butter until it's melted. Then mix in 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sliced green onion. Taste to adjust your seasoning. You want to recover the rice with the foil or lid and return to the oven for the last 15 minutes of baking. Be careful when you are handling the skillet because it's still hot. Remove the rice from the oven after the final 15 minutes. And this is just what you are looking for. Give a good stir. You can see there's no sticking to the bottom of the pan, and each grain of rice is deliciously moist. Serve in the cast iron skillet or transfer to the bowl of your choice and top with a few green onions or parsley for the sake of presentation. The dirty rice makes a delicious side dish when served with barbecue, grilled meat, fried chicken, or fried pork chops. And there you have it. Classic Cajun style dirty rice made in the oven. Give it a try. I know you and yours will enjoy it. As always, ingredients and instructions are in the description box. Like, subscribe, and get notified of coming Creole and Cajun recipes and events. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.